The wheels of progress have changed with the times, and the times have changed with the wheels. Ashok Leyland powers the wheels of the nation. Ashok Leyland has been a pioneer in the commercial vehicle space, leading the CV industry revolution. It has been at the forefront of innovation-driven transformation, enriching lives through mobility. Ashok Leyland has transformed the light commercial vehicle space with Dost, Partner and Mitra. With over 3 lakh satisfied customers, Ashok Leyland LCVs have set a new benchmark with best-in-class CSI and SSI. Today, Ashok Leyland proudly presents yet another revolutionary next-generation LCV. Based on the feedback from customers, 100 top engineers from our R&D center have worked on translating and transforming customer needs into design and concept. Tested to perfection with new-age precision instruments in the harshest of conditions, ensuring safety always. This next-generation light commercial vehicle was created in a record 24 months. A state-of-the-art new manufacturing line has been set up at Hosur with end-to-end robotic automation. It is now ready to be experienced at the state-of-the-art modern car-like dealerships. In line with the company philosophy of Think Global, Act Local, this vehicle is not just ready for India, but ready for the global market. Presenting to you the new light commercial vehicle from Ashok Leyland. The Bada Dost.
The journey for Ashok Leyland light commercial vehicle started in 2011, September to be precise, and we gave this country the first time in our history a light commercial vehicle which had air conditioning and power steering, very customer-centric dealerships like cars, a car-like comfort experience in the product. This brought us the best CSI and SSI in the industry and customer which were very happy with the kind of defect-free products we gave. We had difficult times in the journey subsequently, but as a team, we overcome those challenges, and that gave us a belief that we can now take on the competition as well as the market, India and internationally, with a new range of product. And that is how our new generation platform was born, which was a task given to all of us. Can we deliver that in 24 months' time? But the team took the task and went ahead with it. And that's how the Project Phoenix was codenamed, was born. And we are going to discuss today about the Project Phoenix in some more detail. Let me first thank all my dealer network, which even during this recession time, I have already refurbished these dealerships to meet the global standard in terms of quality, in terms of customer service as well. Our dealers in domestic and internationally are looking forward to the launch of new generation platform. Our financiers, who supported during this 9-year journey, and by providing a very good finance package to the customer, because 95% of the customer in India take finance when they purchase a vehicle. Our vendors, who gave us the world-class defect-free products from 2011, supported us very well with the launch of our Phoenix with a modern, good quality components which we are very proud of. And last but not least, our own team, Mr. Nixon, Rajat, KRK, Viplav Shah, Piyush, Saibal, Amitabh, K. Srinivasan and Pandi, the leaders, and along with many of the team members, and the list is not exhaustive, there are many people behind it, but 4 or 5 people stand out from our sourcing, from program, product development and manufacturing by the name Arun Jefferson, Raj Shekhar, Kamlakan, Vijay Prasad and Albert Prince in our sourcing area. All these gentlemen went out of the way to support this program as well, along with our leaders. Let me first share the experience to you. What is the foundation about light commercial vehicle business? It is about good international quality, car-like experience dealership network, market share which we never lost over the last 5 years, with the lowest defect-free product in our industry, and deliver a very good CSI and SSI. This foundation gave us the confidence of taking on our new platform even to the next level. Let me share some details about the platform. This is a platform which is in left-hand drive and right-hand drive, has multiple GVW options available in diesel, CNG, and in future in electric, has multiple emissions in BS6, Euro 4 and Euro 3. A new product will be coming on this platform every 3 to 4 months from now on. We will also have designed this platform for multiple applications, similar to like a van, high roof and low roof ambulances, and many more. Today we are launching 2 on this products on this platform, which is called i4 and i3, which is about 3.49 ton GVW and 2.99 ton GVW in right-hand drive. Our international launches, which will happen subsequently, will also happen left-hand drive 3 to 4 months from now. Let me share some features about this particular Bada Dost. It's the best-in-class fuel efficiency, which we are always known for. Best-in-class loading space, GVW, payloads, good ground clearance, and a vehicle which is okay for inter and intracity application as well. Big in comfort, something what we always want our customer to feel. Our customer who is driving this vehicle 150 to 200 kilometers a day should be in a comfortable environment. First in time in the country, we are launching a 3-seater vehicle which is certified by ARAI for our customers. We also know our customer tends to take his family out in the evening. Therefore, it can also be a family car for him as well after the office hours. This vehicle is all about comfort. If you should look at the look and the feel of the dashboard, it's international quality in terms of gear-mounted lever, the touch and feel of the dashboard, digital cluster, and many other features like UBS port, etc., available, which are because it is going to be also sold in international market as well. One feature which I would like to mention about is collapsible parking brake. We know our customer tends to sleep during the afternoon between the two working out, between the two jobs he does. He needs a place where the brake doesn't interfere while he's sleeping. So we designed a brake which he can engage and then collapse and fold the seat and sleep. This is one unique feature no other vehicle in our country will have. All the features what you saw gave us the confidence that this vehicle also can be sold in international market. Today we are restricted our flow in international market to only right-hand drives. We have limited range of left-hand drive products across. With the help of Phoenix, as well as our new range of medium and heavy commercial vehicles, we feel you can see a lot of new countries in amber color. We can open up those markets for Ashok Leyland. Hence, it will be a growth business for us as well. As you are aware, international market is very tough. It requires a lot of features which are today not available in domestic market, like airbags and ABS, including AMT and 4x4 options. So this platform has already been designed to take care of these features in the coming years. They will come in a gradual and a phased manner as we open this country to meet the homologation norms. You can't just design a good product, you have to manufacture in a world-class facility. So we have put up a new facility in Hosur, a fully robotic weld line, first of its kind in the country, in Hosur to manufacture this range of vehicles. We have already known to make defect-free vehicle with the state-of-art facility which we have put in Hosur. I think we should be able to make international quality vehicle which our Indian customers should also like. In summary, Bada Dost is coming from a contemporary global platform in left-hand drive and right-hand drive. Best-in-class power, payload and loading space. First in segment certified 3-seater. Low turning radius for inter-intracity applications. Exclusive 570 touch point which gives you car-like experience in India and subsequently also being added in international market. And best in CV industry CSI and SSI in India. And now I announce the price of i4 and i3. I'm sure the customers find our price to be quite attractive. The vehicle will be available at our dealerships starting today, and also customers can book online. We are launching our online booking module now. Our vision is to be top 10 global CV player, and with the launch of our new LCV platform, we are accelerating our journey towards our vision. Thank you very much.